In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get positive feedback on eBay. Let's dive right into some essential tips that can help you earn those all-important 5-star reviews from your buyers. First up, fast shipping is key. Buyers love nothing more than having their purchases in their hands as soon as possible. This means that getting your orders shipped on the very same day or at the very latest, the next day, can set you apart. Always use tracking for your packages so your buyers can see exactly where their item is throughout the entire shipping process. This not only gives them peace of mind, but also reduces the chances of any confusion or frustration. Next, it's crucial to provide accurate descriptions of the items you're selling. Be straightforward and clear with your item titles and descriptions, detailing every aspect of the product. This includes the actual condition, any flaws, and all relevant measurements. Additionally, upload clear, well-lit photos to your listings. Buyers are much more likely to trust your listing and leave positive feedback if they feel confident they know exactly what they're purchasing. Offering great customer service is another pillar of earning positive feedback. Make sure to reply to buyer messages within 24 hours. A prompt response shows that you value their time and their concerns. Always be polite and helpful even when facing issues, and aim to resolve any problems quickly and effectively. In cases of disputes, aim to be the bigger person by maintaining professionalism and seeking a reasonable solution that keeps the buyer satisfied. The way you package your items can also make a big difference in the feedback you receive. Use clean boxes and bubble wrap to ensure the items reach your buyer in pristine condition. Proper labeling is a must to avoid any mix-ups. To add an extra personal touch, consider including a thank you note or even a small coupon to encourage repeat business. This little gesture can go a long way in making your buyer feel appreciated. Finally, timing and phrasing are crucial when asking for feedback. Once your item has been delivered, don't hesitate to reach out to your buyer with a short, polite message. A simple note like, "Hi buyer name, I hope your order arrived safely and as expected. If you're happy, I'd really appreciate your positive feedback. Let me know if there's anything I can assist you with. Thank you again." Can convey your willingness to help and warmth, prompting buyers to leave a great review. Incorporating these strategies into your eBay selling routine can significantly increase your chances of getting positive feedback, ultimately boosting your reputation and success as a seller. Good luck!